All ahead, 1/3.
All ahead, 1/3.
Stand by to dive.
Diving stations.
Pressure in the boat.
Rescue readings are normal.
Flood the main ballast tanks.
Flooding main tanks. Bending influence.
Oh. What happened to the music? It's so quiet.
Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor, hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event.
Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and start.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries. We'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level on, hold 80 fathoms.
80 fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat, but now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Let's go explore the big blue world.
Hey, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. Time for more explorers. It's time to go.
What if Nemo is running out the Nemo?
Oh, don't worry.
Wanna ride some tasty waves? Sure, sure. Where? ESC, dude. We'll be like, whoa. Like, whoa. Let's go. Follow me. It's the ESC. Nemo. Oh, lost again. Nemo.
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady. Take her into the current. All ahead standard.
Aye, aye, sir.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome
to the EAC, Vinnie Marlin.
This is fun!
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help. Oh, no.
It's Nemo.
Where?
No, that's not kind of fun.
Why you?
My son Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember.
Is he orange with white stripes?
Yes, and you see him.
Don't worry, we're not going to eat you, at least not all at once. No, Bruce, remember the pledge.
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You want one of these balloons? Oh. That's it. Moving.
Secure all stations. System change.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full.
Hey, Squirt, what are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
Dory.
Wait,
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Closer. Something touched me.
That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anybody. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
Oh, what's that? It looks like.
Ooh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloonish. Boing.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. Boing, boing. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants. Boing. I'm going.
Stop playing games.
One.
No, Dory. I'd like to. Let's go.
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo. Nemo, I found you. I was so worried.
About what?
Hey, if you guys notice the arrival of Nemo.
We're alive. We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo. Nemo? Nemo? Say something.
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh, can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay, Nemo! Hey, Pearl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should see me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some fed. Noggin.
Dude! Nemo, check out all the whales! Cindy Plankton, he says that whales are being krill. Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one hungry whale! Cindy Plankton's never doing
Does that smell kind of realish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm Just keep swimming. Whoa, a big yellow whale. Wait, stop.
Crikey.
Shall I enter any of this under the law?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us